Hi, welcome back to another episode of Love Some Everything. Today we are dealing with this sunburned face and chest, so don't pay any mind to that. But we also have a special package that was sent to us from Born Pretty. I did already record this video but lost the footage, so these are unwrapped, but I still want to share them with you because I am so happy that they sent them to me. So we are going to go through these 6 polishes together, and I'm going to go ahead and swatch those for you as well. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, camera is turned on, and I did do a nail set with these polishes, so you will see those throughout the video and at the end as well. So the very first polish that we got is a 15 milliliter bottle, and it is called Rose Light. It is super pretty. Super pretty. So let's go ahead and get that on the nail. It's like you have to focus in on the nail and then focus on the bottle, so it's 2 different things. Look at how beautiful. And that is the polish I'm actually wearing on my thumb here. So you will see how pretty it is when we swatch it as well. Okay. Let's start over here. And my sister made me this nail stand, so I thought I would go ahead and use that today as well. Absolutely beautiful. I love this color. Every time I'm out in the sun, I just look at all the sparkles in it, and it just makes me so happy. So we're going to go ahead and do 1 coat together, and then I will do a coat off camera and then a top coat as well, so we can see how they look. This is the second polish. It is called Love Radar. And it's this milky white polish with these beautiful hearts in it. So pretty. I love this one. So pretty. Okay. Let's go ahead and get that on the nail as well. And a little trick, if you want to go ahead and put the first coat on here, and then you can take a sponge and get off all these glitters and actually get more without putting more polish on. And then just kind of move them around where you want. That is what I would do in this situation if I were using this polish for my nails. It's always hard when you have glitters to get like an even coat. All right. The next polish that we have here is called Dancing Flake. And I actually did my nails like almost a week and a half ago, so they are kind of growing out. But here is this one. It's like this brownish pink color. It's really pretty, and it has a ton of shimmers in it. So pretty. The next polish that we got is Freedom Land. Let me go ahead and zoom out so you can see that and the number here. And this one, I believe, is magnetic. Yeah, I knew there was one. Okay, so pretty. I did use the magnetic on this one. It's really pretty, but then I covered it up with a bear, so I don't know. Okay. And I'm not sure if you can see that. Why did you do that, Jess? Okay. So went ahead and put a coat on that one. I forgot to zoom back out. I apologize. But look how beautiful and responsive it is to that magnet. So pretty. All right. I'm going to leave her like that. The 4th one that we got, or the 5th one that we got, I'm so sorry, is this one, and it is called Snug Fuzz. It is super cute, and it has these little, like, it actually looks like a sweater, like little fuzz pieces in the polish. It is so cool, and I love it, and especially when the weather starts getting warmer, colder. not wishing for that at the beach here, but this would be so, so pretty to make a sweater set. And I believe I touched this one, so let me go ahead and fix that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put these in, and then we have one more to swatch here. Okay, let's go ahead and swatch this last polish together. This one is called Dancing Flake, and it has like, it looks kind of like snow in the polish. Very pretty, especially if you wanted to do a set with the sweater and this one together. So let's go ahead and zoom out so we can swatch this one together. We also have the garbage being picked up right now, so if you hear that again, I apologize. All right, look at how beautiful those snow pieces are. I really, really like them. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a second coat on all of these, and I will be right back, and then we'll top coat them and look at them together. We got 2 coats of polish on and a top coat, and I just wanted to look at these again and tell you about these bottles. I thought they were really, really nice, especially the 2 15-milliliter bottles. I love the big bottles of polish. I just think they are lovely, and these colors that they picked out for me are so beautiful. There is not a color that they sent me that I am absolutely not in love with. These littler bottles are 10-milliliter bottles, but the products in them are so nice. They went on very smooth. They leveled very easily. And I haven't used a lot of Born Pretty products, but now that they sent these over, I'm glad that I got a chance to. And I'm super glad that I got to share them with you guys, especially if you're just starting out your nail collection and you're looking for a great affordable product. So let's go ahead and look at these swatches together. And just, I'm in awe of how beautiful they are, especially like this heart one. Oh, I would go ahead before I top coat it if I'm wearing it and go ahead and just buff this down a little bit on the side where this glitter is kind of sticking up a little bit. And it does not hurt the glitters. You're not like really getting into the glitter, but it just kind of makes it smooth when you wear it. The cat eye is beautiful. I just went ahead and brought the cat eye out on this one side. But the polishes, they just worked absolutely amazing. And I am so thankful that I got a chance to work with that company, and just wanted to say thank you again for sending me over those products. Okay, I wanted to go ahead and show you the nail set that I did. I already had like one little piece fall off here. Like I said, I kind of did these a little bit ago, but I still wanted to share them with you. I think they turned out super, super cute. It was my first time like 3D sculpting, and you know, this really, not my first time, but like it really didn't turn out how I wanted it to, but the nails themselves are super cute. And those colors were absolutely beautiful. Like I said, I really love them. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, you want to see more of this type of video where I review affordable, great products for you, go ahead and subscribe and like the video. Until next time, I hope you're having the most amazing day. Take care. Bye.